Tinkers, my name is Natalia and today I'm gonna show you a very special card which looks like this. So it's an invitation looking like a kettle with some stuff boiling over, and it's a really easy card to create and to decorate. And even if you don't celebrate Halloween, you can still create this. Just make a flower pot instead of a kettle. So let's begin. Here's what you need to create this card. Take your ruler and then measure out 6 centimeters with your compass, and then make 2 circles and then cut them out. From the edge of the circle, measure inwards 4 centimeters, make a mark, and from this marking, try to create an oval shape as best as you can. And also create a line from the tip of the oval to the side of the circle. And also create a curved line right in the center of the oval shape. And then cut the kettle out. Use the kettle you just created as a stencil for the second circle, so place it right on top and then sketch around it. And then cut it out. We need to cut open the curved line on the kettle, so use your box cutter to do exactly that. To figure out how wide your invitation should be, measure out the curved line. My line is 6 centimeters long, so my card should not be more than 6 centimeters wide. And the invitation should not be more than 8 centimeters long. So make the invitation with these exact measurements and then cut it out. Test your invitation out to see if it fits. If it does, it's time to decorate it. I just use a regular sized bottle cap, sketch around it, then cut the circle out, and then I use some ink to just make it a little more poisonous around the edges. But you can add any kind of bubbles or decorations to the card as you like. You can cut off the edges of the invitation to make it easier to insert into the kettle. Turn the kettle around and then put some glue around the edges. And then attach the back piece right on top. And press down to make it stick properly. As I mentioned in the beginning, if you don't celebrate Halloween, you can still create this. Just instead of poisonous bubbles, you can just create flowers and a flower pot. So let your imagination loose and get creative. I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit the bell button below so don't miss out of any future videos. And be sure to check out these DIYs here if you're looking for more inspiration. And I'll see you soon with more ideas. Bye!